everybody out there. It's your girl, Shar'e. I am live on set behind the scenes for the stage play written and directed by the legendary Eric Washington. You all may know him as one of the legendary artists here in the 317, but he's been branching over into the filming industry. And make sure you stay tuned and follow him on all social media.
Totally just thought I seen a big bug. Okay, I'm back.
Unplugged and Uncut. You know it's your girl, Shar'e. Make sure you stay tuned and follow me on all social media, and get on over to soundsofshare.net and check out any episodes that you may have missed. This episode is officially brought to you by Robert's Camera, so make sure you get downtown Indianapolis at 220 East St. Clair Street, Indianapolis, Indiana 46204. We are back live on set in studio for a legendary, epic moment. You won't see this anywhere else, I guarantee it. I am live on the stage behind the scenes of the huge stage play that is brought to you by Eric Washington. You all know him as a legendary artist crossing over into the film industry. Super excited to be here live with you today and your beautiful cast. Y'all see? Hey, I don't even know if you can not be cute and be on a play with Eric Washington. All right, you guys, I told you you're going to see exclusive footage you won't see anywhere else. I'm super excited to be joined live behind the scenes of the stage play that is here today, written and directed by Eric Washington, Till Toxic Do Us Part. We are here with the beautiful Imani, who is geared up to start in this live stage play today. Super excited to be joined with you. How you feeling? You look cute, but you're not ready for the play yet, but how you feeling today?
Girl, I feel good. I had 2 shots. You know,
oh, Lord.
I had to feel a little burn, you know,
yeah.
Adrenaline rush and all that. But yeah, I'm probably gonna have to cut this short because if Eric cuts me up because I'm not on stage, listen, Eric is an amazing person. I love him. He put me in a position to win. I cannot wait for y'all to see what we have been working on. And yeah, that's all.
I know that's right. So make sure you stay tuned. You heard it here earlier where you can follow the beautiful Imani at, but make sure you stay tuned because I cannot wait to join them live tonight and watch all of their acting skills come to life. Make sure you stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. See ya.
Why choose Entrepreneurs United LLC? Because here, we get it done. We serve our guest clientele with 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Contact us today at 317-869-6345. Let your network be your best work.